Dictionary at dictionary. In a general context, a blizzard refers to a severe and prolonged snowstorm with strong winds and reduced visibility. It is a weather phenomenon characterized by heavy snowfall, often accompanied by wind gusts of 35 miles per hour or more, creating blowing snow and snowdrifts. Blizzards can be extremely dangerous and disruptive, as they can lead to road closures, transportation disruptions, and power outages due to the weight of the snow and ice on power lines and infrastructure. The combination of heavy snow and strong winds can also result in reduced visibility, making it hazardous for people to travel or be outdoors during a blizzard. Overall, a blizzard is a significant and intense winter weather event that can have serious impacts on communities and requires caution and preparedness to stay safe.